So guys, the porridge is ready. Look at it. Look at the porridge. Look at the porridge. Yam porridge. Asaro. Delicious yam porridge with my gray fish on there. Steaming. Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you guys how I cook my yam porridge. I've been cooking yam porridge, but I've never uploaded it on my YouTube channel. So today I just say, you know what, I got to show people, my friends, my supporters, my viewers, my lovely YT family, how I cook my own way of yam porridge. That is the yam. This is a Ghana yam, very sweet. I've been eating this yam, you know. So I've got my here. I got my crayfish, all the sauce I want, all the spices here. I got my chopped onions, garlic, ginger, one Maggi cube, and this one. I got my blended tomatoes, fresh pepper, garlic. Everything is blended here. I got my sweet pepper. I got my green chili. I got my spring onions. So let's crack on to cook the yam. Let me peel the yam and chop it up in cubes. Then I show you how I do my own yam porridge in a mega way. Yes, I finished peeling the yam, so I'm just showing you my plant in the kitchen. Look at my plant. Look at that plant. Look, it's lovely, isn't it? Beautiful plant. So I'm showing you the yam has been peeled and washed and cut in cubes. So right now, let's start the cooking. I'm gonna tip in my oil in the frying in the pot, in the saucepan. Then I'm gonna chuck in my onions, garlic, ginger, everything here in the oil to start frying them. So guys, the onions is frying. Yeah, the onions is frying. The onions is popping up, as you can see. I like to fry my onions to get it like a little bit brown and get that onions flavor, that onions aroma, you know. The kitchen is just like everywhere. It's like popping, you know, nice. Even my neighbors will come and sometimes they come and knock on my door. What are you cooking again? Because apparently it's like I'm the only African lady in this little village. So when I'm cooking, they know. They say, "Oh, it's you yesterday. Yesterday there was this curry smelling everywhere." Oh yeah. Well, they know when I'm cooking. Oh. So I'm gonna tip in my blended tomatoes. Okay, my blended tomatoes. I like when I cook my yam porridge, I like it very porridgey, like you got to have all those gravy, you got to, you know, soft and my porridge, when I cook it, my husband will like, wow, oh, I like that, I like, you call it, what does he call it? There's a name he call it. So he said, "Oh, are you cooking that thing again?" I say, "Yeah, yam." So he love it. He eats every other thing, but he doesn't eat swallow. He doesn't eat my fufu or whatever. But this yam porridge, hey, don't play with it, oh. This is the way I cook my yam porridge. You know, like I'm cooking jollof. No, but this is yam porridge. When I cook, any little amount of ingredient I'm gonna use, I'm gonna make that food so that I can enjoy it, you know. I can enjoy it in any little way. I use the ingredients. I want to enjoy it, you know. So that is the tomato cooking with the onions. You got to cook like you want to cook jollof rice, but it's not jollof. This is my way, the way I cook my yam porridge. This yam porridge I'm cooking, we are eating it tonight and maybe next tomorrow. It will stay in the fridge after tonight. Then You know, I enjoy yam porridge. I see the asaro, they call it asaro in Yoruba land. So now I'm gonna pop in the crayfish or the spices will go in there. Yeah, they will go in there. Then my aromat now will go in there. Okay, it's, you know, it represents everything. It represents my salt intake in my cooking. You know, so I don't really eat salt. It's hardly you see me use salt in my cooking. You know, so that is it now. Look at it, guys. So, oh, this water didn't go. I thought I put it on. So I'm gonna let the stew simmer. You know. Yeah. So I will let it boil. When it is boiled, before I put in my yam, I don't put my yam straight away. Guy, when you eat this porridge, you think you are eating Nigerian jollof party, Nigeria jollof rice party or party jollof rice, whatever they call it. Yeah, this is the way I cook my porridge. So guys, now I'm gonna put in my yam. Yeah, I'm gonna put in my yam in there. Then we're gonna go in there. Okay, that is it now. Then I'm gonna cover it for the yam porridge to cook. So I'm gonna put my red chili pepper, sweet pepper, and all this stuff in there. So they're gonna cook. You see, this is how I cook my yam porridge. So I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. That is the porridge. It's cooking, popping up. Look at the yam porridge. Cooking. Look at the yam porridge. It's cooking. It's ready now. It's ready. Lower it. Okay guys, my porridge is ready. It's popping up. Look at the porridge. The yam porridge is ready. I got great fish. So guys, the porridge is ready. Look at it. Look at the porridge. Look at the porridge. Yam porridge. Asaro. Delicious yam porridge with my great fish on there. Steaming. My yam porridge is ready. Look at my yam porridge, guys.